If you're a shorty and you want to stay ahead of the curve, you're going to want to watch this. These are the 3 petite-friendly trends from Resort 2025 that you'll start seeing everywhere. Derived from the utilitarian trend, jumpsuits are Resort's preferred one-and-done piece. For shorties, it doesn't get better than an uninterrupted vertical, like the one we see in jumpsuits. Armarium, Hermes, Missoni, and Victoria Beckham put out some very classic styles. I'm so excited to see more modern takes of this utilitarian style. Like, for example, Margiela's strapless trouser-inspired jumpsuit, Victoria Beckham's refined empire waist design with the tux side stripe, and Zero and Maria Cornejo's denim short sleeve piece with the strong V-shaped collar. Years ago, I undertook the task of finding the petite perfect jumpsuit. It's been quite some time though, and I think an update is overdue. What do you think though? Let me know in the comments. Vertical stripes, but better. For Resort 2025, designers elevated the idea of fringe. As a shorty whose style doesn't lean towards the Western aesthetic, I have never given fringe much thought, until now. For those of us who would like to accentuate our height, it is time we consider incorporating these 3-dimensional lines into our wardrobe. The most conventional take was by Johanna Ortiz, with a halter dress featuring an asymmetrical hem. I have a feeling the photo doesn't do this dress any justice. Kate's look number 12 makes me want to buy a fringe skirt to pair with longer tops like tunics and short dresses for modesty. Moschino's look 47 featured a more literal interpretation of 3-dimensional vertical lines, with thick stripes nicely placed on the lower third. Considering my personal style, I am most interested in the embellished version of fringe, as seen in Dior's look number 53 and Gucci's look number 26. I need to know, will you be trying out this trend? And if so, which version of it are you most excited about? Your sweatsuit is getting a makeover. I'm blaming the recent Olympics for the number of athleisure coordinating sets, and I'm not complaining about it. They are comfortable, practical, and easy on the eyes for all, including shorties. Stella McCartney and Tom Ford are taking us back in time with velour tracksuits. I never took part in the Juicy Couture craze, but Tom Ford's chic take is tempting me. Philip Lim and Armarium's designs are clearly inspired by the construction of windbreakers. Nihara and Elie Saab both elevating the category, showing us that comfort and practicality does not mean sloppy. I'm ready to upgrade my sweatsuits. If you're too, let me know and I can search for the petite perfect athleisure coordinating sets. Don't forget, keep it short.